Your AI agent just transferred a $10,000 bill to a new vendor. The logs look perfect. The signature is verified. But here's the problem. That wasn't your agent. It was a quantum-powered ghost. It sounds like sci-fi, but as quantum computing advances, the digital signatures we use to identify AI agents are becoming easy targets. If your AI identity is built on old math, it can be forged. And in the enterprise, a forged identity is a blank check for disaster. Here is the reality for 90% of enterprises. You aren't building your LLMs from scratch. You're using third-party APIs like OpenAI, Anthropic, or Google. The problem? Today's digital ID cards for AI rely on ECC or RSA. These are mathematically vulnerable to Shor's algorithm. If a quantum computer can break the math your vendor uses to secure their API, they can easily impersonate your agents and you'd never know. You can't go into their server room and change their math. So, are you just stuck? The answer is no. You might not control your vendor's math, but you do control your vendor's contract. This is where enterprise AI governance meets the quantum era. The control you need today is a PQC Supply Chain Audit. You need to move the conversation from the IT department to the procurement office. Here is the tiny tech point. Enterprise governance now requires asking every AI vendor what is your migration plan for FIPS 203 and FIPS 204. These are the new NIST standards for quantum safe math. If your vendor doesn't have an answer, they are handing you a ticking time bomb. As you scale your agentic AI workflows, remember this. You are only as secure as your weakest vendor. Start including PQC readiness in your risk assessment today. Because in the age of AI, security isn't just about the firewall. It's about the math. Don't just take my word for it. I've drafted a professional 6-question PQC audit you can send to your AI vendors today. Link is in the description. I am Amit, and this was a Tiny Tech Talk. If this helped you think differently about your AI strategy, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.